Oops. Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing? Hope you're staying well and keeping crafty. I'm just popping on to show you what I've done for the lovely Teresa from the Car Boot Crafter for her giveaway. She's doing a giveaway and she wants us to send her a piece of artwork that she's going to put in a book for inspiration when she loses her mojo, that so she can look in it and, you know, get inspiration from everybody's work. So this is the piece that I've done. I really love it. It's based on the circles from the circle book that I showed you the other week. So I got a piece of just mixed media, watercolour techniques and mixed media cold press paper. It's 300 GSM, £140, and then I literally just use these beautiful crayons that I showed you the other day that Trudy bought me. Thank you, Trudy. I really love them. They're really rich and creamy. They're just lovely. And they're very bright. They're as bright as, when you put them down, they're as bright as they are on the container. Yes, so I did that. I just went all over with circles. I think you can probably use the back side, the smooth side of this, but I used the grainy side. So I just went all over with circles, and then more circles and more circles and overlap circles, and then went round the circles with different colours. And then I did get, so the majority of it is with these crayons, and then I did get some black, white and gold paint. Black paint just did with a little lid off or something, black acrylic paint, and the little dots in the middle was the rubber off the end of a pencil. And I don't know whether you can see it, but I just done some fine splashes of black, white and gold. And then I knew I just wanted to keep it sort of plain, didn't want a focal point. The background is the focal point, if you like. And I've got a big bag of letters that I'd cut out. So I've just had a lovely time looking through all the letters and thinking, oh, letters and words, thinking, oh, what can I have? And these just popped out at me. They weren't on the same, you know, from the same book or anything. But I just love it. Oh, and then I went around the edge with black. Didn't use any water on it or anything. They're just the crayons. So I hope you like it, Teresa. Thank you ever so much for doing the giveaway. I know I'm a little bit late to the party. I don't know when I will upload this, but as I'm speaking now, it will be going out tomorrow. But I don't know when I will upload this. Well, obviously when Teresa gets it, but I hope you like it. It's 6 by 6, and I think it had to be no bigger than 7 by 8. So yeah, so good luck to everybody, and thank you again, Teresa. Take care, and thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.